Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing angel. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. This is an angel drawing. It has big white wings that are fluffy like clouds. The angel is wearing a long flowing dress that shines with the soft golden light. The face is calm and happy with a gentle smile. The angel is holding a star in one hand that there are sparkles around it. The background is filled with a bright, peaceful glow. It looks like the angel is bringing warmth and light to wherever you are. Thank you so much to watch my video.